Hello friends, how are you? I hope are you well. Today I will show you to Huawei P Smart 2021 how to replace the charging board. It's this part it's broken. I think it's a problem in charging board. So today I will showing to you uh, how to replace charging board of Huawei P Smart 2021 and also Huawei Y7. So let's do it for the replacement of the charging board of Huawei P Smart 2021 and Y7. So if you not subscribe my channel, first you subscribe my channel and then watch my video, like my video, hit the like button. So first you enjoy my video. If you enjoy my video, you must do the subscribe and hit the like button, and also comment in comment box. So let's start, let's do it. So first I turn off the mobile, and then I remove the SIM tray. First you must need to remove the SIM tray, otherwise when you open it's the middle frame and then it's broken, everything inside in motherboard. So you use this plate little, and first you take some heat in your back cover, so it's very easily to remove this. So I already heated them, and you see it's very easy to remove. So a little bit, yes. So it's all done, and so it's done. I removed it. So now you can remove the screws, all of the middle frame. You remove the screws. Remove the screws. It's too much screws. Yes. So now we remove this. These all screws. Okay. You watch till end, then you understand everything, how to replace the charging port, the charging board. So you must need to watch till end. So I remove the screw, and you see now you can use this plastic indicator. So you use this to remove the middle frame. Carefully to remove, and this board, the fingerprints. So it's done. And now first you disconnect the battery, and then you remove this and then this board, remove this screw, one screw on the charging board. Now you can remove the big speaker. This is the main big speaker, and then you need to remove this. So it's done. Now I put this is a new charging board, so this one I will now fix it. First, yes, you can see it very carefully. Put back on the flex, and this cable also. Okay, so the speakers, put back on this charging board. Screws. Now put back on the battery. Okay, so now put back on the cover. Now put back on the screws, all screws. Tight it, all screws. Put back all screws. So it's done. So put here on the glue and then fix this cover, and then now it's turning on. So, so it's done. It's it's working. So I will check to it's on charging, working or not. If you can see this, I put the charging, and you can see it's on charging. It's perfectly fitted and it's on charging. So today I will finish the Huawei P Smart 2021 and Y7A. Y7A, the charging port replacement, the charging board. So it's all done. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thanks a lot. So see you next time. I make more videos for you about mobiles, and also the discover everything in Lisbon, Portugal. Let's see next time. Bye.